very demure applause there. No, woo! If it was me, I'd be making a lot of noise. Let's try it again. Go. Now we're talking. Welcome back to Daytime Live. So Earth Hour is a powerful global movement raising awareness about climate action and sustainability. So this year's event will take place right in Jamaica at Hope Gardens on March 22. And joining us to tell us all about it is Miss Kalia Hall, Sustainability Manager at Esiram Foundation. Welcome.
Thank you for having me. Good afternoon.
Yeah, I want to hear about this. Go.
Firstly, tell us why more than ever it's important that we start these talks about climate action.
Well, first of all, we feel it. I don't know about you, but every summer that comes, when I have a shower, as I come out, I'm sweating already. So we can feel the effects. The temperatures are increasing. Hellshire, you see the sea level rise, and Jamaica is a SID, small island developing state, which means we are vulnerable to the effects of climate change. So we have to talk about it, and we have to start changing our actions as an individual, business, government, all angles.
And when you say it like that, it sounds like there's hope. Like if we change our actions, then we're also going to see changes and experience it. So with that, March 22, you have a big event happening. How many countries are actually taking part right now in Earth Hour?
So Earth Hour is a global movement. Over 190 countries participate. And in those countries, typically, they celebrate with a lights off moment. So for example, in Paris, the Eiffel Tower turns off. In London, major landmarks, the lights turn off. But in Jamaica, we don't really have any major landmarks that are lit up that we can turn the lights off for. And in Jamaica, music is a universal language. It's something that's really powerful for us. So we decided from 11 years ago that we would celebrate Earth Hour with a free live music concert every single year. And so this year we're doing it once again.
Awesome stuff. Hold on, let me take a sip before I ask.
Yeah, because I
Are
like.
you going to tie it back to something?
Yes, he is. You see it coming, right?
So tell us a
little
bit more about World Water Day, which is tomorrow, okay?
Right. So for the first time, Earth Hour coincides with World Water Day, which is huge because water is such a precious resource that I feel we often take for granted. We kind of brush our teeth and wash our hands and not really think about it. But it's an unlimited resource, you know. There could be a day when we don't have access to clean water like we do now. It's used across industries, your phone, your clothes, like everything that's manufactured, water is probably a part of that process. So it's key to agriculture. I could go on and on, but it's a key resource and we kind of want to highlight it and educate people about it at the event.
At the event, okay, so the event is happening the 22nd of March. Who are some of the people who will be performing? You're highlighting World Water Day. Is there anything else that will be happening?
So we have a great lineup of artists. This year we have Luciano, his Namdi and the Band, Savannah, Vela, Jazz, and Iris Soldier. Very good. I always have to think back on am I hitting all five? So 5 great artists, lots of food options for both vegetarians, vegans, meat eaters, everything. We have interactive games there as well, prizes to be won, and we'll have a fire show at the official Earth Hour, which is 8:30. So patrons can look out for that as well.
And the most important word, it is absolutely free. You got it. It's free at 5 p.m.
Free.
Yes.
People, it's very difficult for us to put on this for free, but we insist on doing it every year for a reason. And so, yes, free tickets are available up until 11:59 p.m. tonight. So those who don't have a free ticket tomorrow will only have to pay $2,000 at the gate. It's still
that's a little bit of money.
It's still just a contribution, right? So
exactly.
Yeah.
Ensure you get your free tickets at earthhourja.com.
earthhourja.com. Yes. All right, beautiful.
Awesome stuff. All right, so first, before action takes place, awareness is absolutely necessary. So now that we have this, it is raising awareness, but how can we find out more about this? Like social media, do you have handles? What's the website? Things like that.
Yes. So we have, of course, the Earth Hour JA Instagram page, but also I encourage people to follow Esiram Foundation. It's our environmental nonprofit arm of the company. We do a lot of great work on Kingston Harbour, educating communities. We have a Bring Your Own a Things campaign, and we encourage patrons to bring their own reusable utensils, bottles, cups, whatever it is. We can cut back on single-use plastic at the event, because we know with parties, is bare plastic cup and bottles going around.
Yeah.
So we want to reduce that.
I love that. I love that. Thank you so much, Kalia. So it's March 22, Hope Gardens, starting at
Gates open 5 p.m. and it's a family-friendly event. It shuts off 10 p.m. sharp. We're respecting the Hope Gardens community.
Yes, before them dial. All right. And it's absolutely free. So bring your kids out, bring your friends out, and just vibe it on March 22nd at Hope Gardens. Thank you so much, Kalia. Yes. Are we going to go out? You were doing it earlier. Want us to do it together?
Sure.
Okay, Daytime Live. We'll be right back. And when we come back, we have more vibe. It's all about GKMS, Western Union. It's a Boys and Girls Champs 2025. Ready? After 3. 1, 2. No. All right, we'll turn on. I'll turn on.